Here we're back again. Excel Daily Dose, Basic Functions, Day 14, Count Blank. Myself Dayanand with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. In my previous video, we saw how do we use count everything, but that function could not count the blank cells. So yes, we have a separate function for that, count blank only. Now let's have a look at it. Count blank. I'm choosing from the drop down like this, pressing tab. Right, so referring to these cells, I have only referred to those cells where there are no blank, but let's see. Yes, it says there are 0 blank cells. If I just take out one from here, it shows one blank cell, which is here. Let me increase this cell reference. It says 3 blank cells, 1, 2, 3. Got it? So it is, you should be very careful in choosing which function that you need based on your requirement. Again, the best application of count blank is if I have a data entry done, if I have the data filled in columns and rows, some data done, and I would like to know, have I missed any field? Have I missed any field by mistake? Then I can use count blank to see if there are any blank lines or blank cells. Right? So more to go. We are on the day 14. We have day 30, another 16 more videos to cover in the basic playlist before we get on with our intermediate and then moving on to advanced. So stick around, stay with us. Let us learn together. And thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.